Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to Ledger Nano S Plus. So first thing that you need to do is to connect your Ledger Nano S Plus to your computer. Once you're done connecting, open your Ledger Live, and then from there just click Accounts on the sidebar, which is this one. And so if you don't have the Ethereum account already, you just have to tap on this plus sign right here and then choose Ethereum. Then you just have to follow the prompts to create the account. Now once you're done with that, click on the Ethereum account, then click on Receive. So the Ledger Live will display your ETH address. So you have to verify the address on your Ledger device screen. And after that, just confirm it on your device, then copy the address. So just a tip, always check the address on your Ledger screen. So you have to never trust the only computer screen. Now once you're done with that, open your crypto.com on your computer. So just log into your account using your credentials and then tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom. Tap on the crypto wallet, select the coin that you want to withdraw, like for example Ethereum, then tap on Transfer, then tap on Withdrawal, and tap External Wallet. So after that, if you haven't sent this to Ledger address before, you have to tap on Add Wallet Address, then choose the coin network. So for Ethereum, you have to choose ERC20. For Bitcoin, you have to select BTC network. But you have to be very careful. Choosing the wrong network can permanently lose funds. So you have to really be mindful about it. So after that, just paste the Ledger address that you've copied. Then give it a name, like for example, Ledger ETH. So after that, just tap on continue and you will be prompted to enter your 2FA code to whitelist the address. So just a note, whitelisting may take 24 hours and first time for security. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!